kami bata eh. Siyempre, bata pa sila. Sobrang bait, may very genuine din siya. Nakakatuwa na namin na i-watch.
Pero vocal ba siya that she's really a huge fan of you and you know the album?
Tawag sa akin, sir.
Ganun talaga siya.
Oo, tawag sa akin, sir. Sabi ko, ano na lang, Kuya Alden na lang. Tapos she's very she's very vocal about being a fan of Aldab. Yung the way she works, kasi rin eh, very into the project din siya. I remember a certain heavy scene na meron siyang gagawin with Kat. Na from the bus kasi parang 100-meter walk. Sa 100-meter walk na yun, yung character na siya. So, hindi na namin siya kinakausap kasi alam ko she's prepared. So, ang sarap. Ang gaan lang ng set. Sobra. Parang I look forward to every shooting day.
I'm not sure if you've read, pero yung reaction kasi ni Cathy when she was asked to describe your performance, sinabi niya kasi na parang iba yung atake and nahuhusayan siya sa'yo.
Wow. Nabasa ko nga po.
So, what's your reaction on that?
Well, parang
ano ba?
It's the feeling of parang I'm on the right track on how I deal with the character. It's just that si Direk talaga has a special eye for the story of the movie. She's so into it. Ramdam na ramdam ko yun. Kahit gaano kainit yung shoot namin, kahit gaano kahirap. Kasi every Sunday, since we got there, nagsushoot kami sa Central. And Sunday is a day off for the Filipinos.
Sobrang daming Filipinas here.
Parang kaang nasa Manila talaga. And the way yung sobrang init ng pagtanggap nila sa amin doon. And kahit ganun kahirap yung shoot, Direk Cathy still managed to, keep going and finish the scenes. Iba siya.
Tapos tayo mo yung miss mo sa Hong Kong pag bumalik na kayo. Kasi babalik ka pa din.
Yeah. Yung banding with co-stars, yung off-cam, mas rich. Hindi ko kasi in-anticipate. Ang akala ko kasi syempre me being an alien to a certain group was known each other for the longest time. Kami yung bago eh. So kami talaga dapat yung adjust, kami yung dapat makisama. Hindi namin naramdaman. Parang they embraced us that we're in this together. We're in this to finish the movie. Hindi po ako nahirapan.
Magmamakdo question na ako kasi nangyayari kasi sa okay, although sinabi mo kanina na you gave managerial, responsibilities to your sister. Yeah. Pero gaano ka dito sa yes, like sa location, na kailangan next gen store siya?
Actually, everything was, we had a lot of help from the JEDC team. And talagang they assisted us. They gave us choices. Meron silang plans A to Z na talagang if everything fails, meron talaga silang panic button for everything. Location-wise, I've scouted different locations for the store, pero it was disapproved. Because,
so kailangan nila i-approve?
Yes, of course. Siyempre they do study about the area, tapos titignan nila yung traffic, tapos yung surrounding, yung environment daily. So, hindi na-approve yung ibang areas that I pitched. And then, sabi ko, sige po, since we're not, hindi tayo napupunta on the same page, maybe you guys can scout.
And then ikaw ang pipili.
I'll approve. So, gano'n naman din sila. Very mutual. Kasi nga, it's a big investment of everything. Talagang, hindi hero.
Hindi mo na-consider ang Metro Manila? Talagang Laguna yung gusto mo?
Kasi in applying for a franchise, the company is looking at social influence in the area and how yung gaano ka kilala sa area, kamusta yung rapport mo with the community, with your government officials, with the sa mga schools, hospitals, ganyan, how involved are you in community service. So parang yun yung isa sa mga kinoconsider ni McDo to honor franchises. kasi syempre I'm from Laguna, so they specifically asked if I can look for a place in here. I considered Metro Manila, but I will not be able to open other stores. But sa Metro Manila lang. Ang dami na dun eh.
Yeah, sobra. Yeah.
Sobra. Unlike here, like majority of the stores in the south, Binyan, Baris, Bel Air, Balibago, Nuvali, and Tagaytay, everything's company owned. So eventually, if the store performs well, I can apply for para acquisition of existing company-owned stores.
So yun yung direction mo, not opening
to expand, pero to acquire na acquisition na ng stores. If, okay.
Do you plan to acquire?
Yeah. Parang doon talaga yung plan. Kasi, like noon, I've met different owner-operators. They have 7, they have 11 stores. So parang yun din yung dream ko, parang since na-start na natin, tuloy-tuloy na.
Pero so, ito talaga to, di ba? Because with Conchas, may business partner ka.
Yes.
Ito, this is really yours.
This is a family business. And yung Conchas, we're opening 2 new branches next month. May naman.
Kanina you were talking to contractor.
Yes. So, medyo...
Ang sabi nga nila, papa-approve sana namin sa'yo. So talagang hands-on yung...
Yes. Ano yung mga nakita kasi ako finishing na medyo hindi okay. Yata. So may mga finishing muna na tinapos. May mga hindi okay. Medyo madumi. So, siya yung project manager kasi namin. So, pina-double check ko and my sister, sabi ko, you have to take care of this, hindi pwedeng ganyan. Especially like, sulok na ganun.
Meticulous ka din pala sa ano?
Kasi hindi mo yung expenses. Hindi talaga.
Who's doing the, if you don't mind, who's doing the accounting for you? Is it external or family lang yun?
My dad is in charge of yung sa financial statements.
Oh yeah, yung mga ganyan.
Then yung sister ko, like, then we have accountants internal and we have an external accountant for the company.
So this is not part of your endorsement? Parang separate?
Yeah, I really went through the process. Walang special treatment.
Because we were under the impression na maybe it's part of your ex-deal with the endorsement of...
Curious lang ako. What's your regular McDonald's meal? Pag ikaw akong no diet.
Me?
You go to...
Cheat day McDonald's meal.
Yung
order ako ng quarter pounder meal. There's rice and coke. Tapos order ako ng chicken nuggets, 6-piece. Then I open the quarter pounder. I put 3 nuggets in the quarter pounder with the barbecue sauce and then squeezed it in. That's my typical McDonald's meal. Tagal ko na hindi nakakain.
Dessert.
Mauubos yun lahat? Kaya?
Yes.
Ginugutom ka na siya.
Hindi ka dessert person, Mark.
I'm a dessert person as well. Sobra. I just had to cut. So, God knows, Kuya Sam, Mama Ten knows kung gaano kahirap yung diet ko. Talagang self-pity levels sa Hong Kong. Ganun kalala.
Hindi ka ba nagkasakit? Nahirapan sa adjustment na biglang ganun yung food?
Hindi naman.
Limitation.
Baka maramdaman ko siya after the movie shoot.
Ay, pakabal pala. Parang manipinak doon sa hikaw, tsaka dyan sa...
Tattoo!
Yes. It's part of the movie.
The character.
Parang fading na.
But faded na. I'll have this retouched.
May symbolism siya sa movie?
Yes. Surprise.
Surprise.
Yung sa movie pala, no? Kasi hinuhulaan ko lang din yung mga